Almost forgot to show you the other more diorama I have, double parking garage. Yeah, you can find a link in the description of the video to this diorama unboxing and review. Enjoy the Red Bull diorama video. Meow. Hey, pig. Misty. Misty. Ja, is die pik. Hoi. Oh, lekker krabben. Oh, lekker zonnetje. Hello everyone, in this box a Red Bull display diorama from the brand Moreart. Did a lot of videos about Moreart products. One of my favorite brands when it comes to dioramas, diorama accessories, figures, etc. Here we got a picture of what's inside. Here we got a barcode, article number. It says Red Bull Integrate Repair Shop Scene. Here we got some more information. Officially licensed by Moreart. And I believe it comes ready out of the box. And it also comes with light. Pretty heavy. Yes, I will leave a link in the description of where I ordered this. Let's see. So we need a knife to get this off. This is made out of real good quality stuff. Not plastic. Most of the time when you see something like this, it is made out of plastic. Not this one. This is wood, my friends, with a nice display glass, protection glass in front. I believe we can... oh, we have to do it like this, up. The last one I got... it was going to the side. I will show that one later. Ah, nice. Hey, I don't know about you, but I really think this is good looking. And how cool if you are a F1 Red Bull fan. How cool to display your 164 skill cars like this. Agree? Well, I do like it. Okay, here. Okay, you can power it up by cable, or you put some batteries inside. So Dude has to get some batteries to get this working, I believe. It says here, right here, 1.5 volt. Those are 2 AA batteries. Okay, let's get those back in a sec. Okay, 2 AA batteries from Philips. Let's hope these batteries are good. Switch it on. Yep. It's working. Yeah, it could be that the batteries are almost empty. Let's see. Because I see the light is flickering. Or there is something wrong with the connection. Oh, I think this is right. Well, I'm going to... believe there is something wrong with the connection because... this is good. This is good. Let's keep it this way. Whoa! Whoa! Yep. Okay, let's put some Red Bull stuff inside. So I got this nice Red Bull Land Rover right here in the repair shop. Let's place that one here. Now I'm definitely going to take some other batteries because I don't think this is good enough. We'll take these out. These were lying in my display cabinet for quite a while. Back in a sec. Okay, back with new batteries. Van de Gamma, zeg ik. Yep, much better. And now the light is working. We can place this right here in the back. And then we got this one. Oh. But it would be a lot cooler. Let's add some more light. It would be a lot cooler if I use something like this. No, this one right here. Small one. And placing it. This one right here. Yes. I put this one right here. Then I have some Red Bull figures. Pretty cool, right? I believe they're from the brand X-Car Toys. Oh, we can also check if it's working with this cable. I think it's best that we do that right now. Let's see. I have a battery right here. First I'm going to take the batteries out. Yep. Going to place that cable. Nothing. Nothing. Yep. To be honest, I think this is looking much better. Much more light. The light now is much more powerful than with the batteries. Definitely. Okay, where were I? Yeah, need some extra light for figures. Does it work with two? Is the battery strong enough? Yes, it is. No problem at all. Yeah, these figures, I believe they are from X-Car Toys. If you look on AliExpress for X-Car Toy figures, you can find these Red Bull dudes. Pretty well painted. With Red Bull on the back. a guy that can roll a tire, but now he's doing something right here. Then we have this dude that is doing something right here. I have to fine tune it later. And then we have this dude right here. Whoop. And we have the Land Rover. Oop. And then you can create a very nice diorama. I can see, let's check if I have some extra accessories to make it a little bit better. Back in a sec. Okay, so I put a little extra in the diorama. Yeah, these guys need to go to the toilet. So this person here is going to take huge dump. Tool set, yeah, some tires, and there on the left side some storage closet or whatever. Yeah, pretty cool. Sorry. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. See you soon. Bye.